Another big one is because of the volatility that's coming, people just don't really understand unless they go down the path that I'm going to understand what the HFT shops are doing with all the secret sauce stuff that I've been kind of revealing. You're going to see a lot of market regime changes under your nose, and you won't know why the market is performing the way you expect it to. That's because a lot of the volume that is manipulated and hidden through dark pools and the like, um, they're switching the market regime on you. You wouldn't know. So therefore, your predicted forecasted trading result will not work out because of that or volatility, which will be unpredictable. Not what you think it is. Um, I'll probably be looking at a high level some of the data sources that you could use for some of the product assets to watch. One of the big things I want people to understand is when you're dealing with, let's say, gold, let's say oil, let's say S&P 500 in the futures and options market, each and every single one of those operate differently and can easily be traded totally different because a lot of these HFT shops are going to treat each one of those differently. And it's the same thing with currencies as well. You have the six big currencies to choose from. I haven't done any deep dive in that yet, but right now, being September 20th, 2025, the two currencies that look like they're heavily going to be traded, again, from the news that I've seen, is both the yen alone in the futures and options market. That's a big one. That's a safety trade, no different than gold with a carry trade. But there's also Australian dollar and oddly enough, the Mexican peso as well. That can be traded on the futures market on the CME because they operate under different market, different conditions.